Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Finding the derivative of a natural log function using limits is actually super fast if you know the right formula. Let's solve this problem together. First, we need to recall the formal definition of a derivative at a specific point. The derivative g' of 3 is the limit as x approaches 3 of the function. Next, we calculate the value of the function at 3. Plugging 3 into the natural log of 1 plus 2x gives us the natural log of 7 for our numerator. Finally, we assemble the limit expression. This leads us directly to the expression in option A, which perfectly matches our formal definition of the derivative. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to prevent signs errors. Always trust the given limit definition.